TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. And this one is exciting for this Friday the 13th. It is a non-phone job where you literally are just Googling stuff. That's right, you are going to be checking facts in articles, just Googling to make sure the facts are actually correct. You don't actually have to edit the article as far as grammar and all of that is concerned. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. This is going to be a part-time job, but if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Now, the company is 3 Ships. They have 92 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a freelance fact checker to work remote. This is for the United States. Now, please note, they are looking to hire multiple people. It says they're looking to hire 2 to 4 expert fact checkers. And also, this is going to be a temporary position. It is only going to be 2 to 3 months. It is part-time. They're looking for somebody who can work at least 10 hours a week, and it is paying $20 an hour. But with Christmas season right around the corner, this might be something good to make a little bit of extra cash for the holiday season. But they are looking for somebody to vet articles across a variety of home improvement categories. So you'll be fact checking to review the articles, making sure that they have all their facts straight when they're giving the readers the best possible recommendations and advice. They don't need reviewers to edit the article. Just simply vet the brand and information and note any inconsistencies or inaccuracies. So you're going to do a research via brand websites, Google reviews, and the BBB or Better Business Bureau. So you're basically just going to be Googling and making sure the facts stated in the article are correct. That is it. And now, they are not requiring a college degree for this position, just somebody who has a great eye for detail, someone who is tech savvy, you understand how to use Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google, all of those things, and somebody who is familiar with home improvement categories such as landscaping, home warranties, plumbing, things like that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. If you enjoyed this job lead, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.